General Psychology 101 is a course that introduces you to how and why people think, feel, and act the way they do. This course is probably for you if you have ever questioned behavior. The three major topics you will cover is operant conditioning, personality, and development. Operant conditioning analyzes how our behaviors are shaped by consequences and how rewards and punishments influence actions and behavior. Personality helps explain what makes each person unique. This derives from both biological factors and nature versus nurture. Development focuses on how we change mentally, emotionally, and socially throughout our lives. All three of these topics will help you better understand yourself and others around you. Those are only three of the many more topics that you will cover throughout the course. The topic that resonated with me the most was operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is learning through consequences. When a behavior is followed by a reward, it is more likely to reoccur. This is called reinforcement. When a behavior leads to an unpleasant outcome, it becomes less common to reoccur. This, on the other hand, is called punishment. Both reinforcement and punishment can be both positive, adding something, or negative, removing something. Sports is a great example of how positive reinforcement and rewards can lead to improved athletic performance. On the other hand, losing playing time after repeated mistakes is a form of punishment that discourages those behaviors. To recap, General Psychology 101 introduces three foundational topics: operant conditioning, which explains how behavior is shaped by rewards and consequences; personality, which explores the traits, thoughts, and patterns that make people unique and influence how we interact; and development, which focuses on how people grow and change cognitively, emotionally, and socially. Combined, these topics set the stage for understanding human behavior from childhood all the way through adulthood. One research study that you will learn is Pavlov's experiment. He discovered that dogs could be conditioned to salivate to a neutral stimulus, like a bell, if it was repeatedly paired with food. Eventually, the bell alone caused salivation, demonstrating how learned associations can shape behavior. Still, you might ask, why do we care? Well, if you did, I think you're finally catching on, because psychology is about asking questions. What makes psychology super neat is how applicable it is to any career. Grasping behavior is a gift that you can use to motivate others, build habits, and solve problems. Someone like myself pursuing a forensic science career, psychology will greatly help improve my analytical skills in science. Regardless, it doesn't matter what career you are currently in or the one you are pursuing. It is statistically proven that taking a psychology class greatly improves critical thinking, which can help you in anywhere you go in life. This course has helped me build healthy relationships and habits and have fun with friends doing what I love the most. Most importantly, this course taught me that it is healthy to feel all different kinds of emotions. If anything that I talked about in this video interests you, then I highly recommend you give psychology a chance.